Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. So we start with a bullish count, and I can tell you straight away that this move today that happened here with ADA wasn't good for the bullish scenario. For now I will park this, not gonna focus on this because we need to be realistic here. I'm waiting for Bitcoin to make a new low. There was definitely a chance here, but with ADA making a new low here, I mean, there's still, you could still argue that all of this was wave 4, okay, A, B, C, expanded flat, and then here a wave 5 down. You could still give it the benefit of the doubt as long as we're holding above the 42.8 cent level, which is this sort of the end of this target. If we draw the fibs, to be honest, this is already below the 88. I mean, if we do that, you would already now say this is 44.3 cents. This is the 78.6% fib level. I think we have to actually move that up a little bit. This goes down to the 88.7. If we lose this level, 43.3 at the latest, then I think we're going to lose here the 42.3 cent level as well. In what follows, we'll probably lose the 42 cent level and then also the 40.3 cent level. This move down is very impulsive. And it just wasn't good for ADA. And also what you can already see, we say, okay, here in this C wave of the wave 2, this 5-wave move, look at the length of the wave 1, look at the length of the wave 5. This is starting to get unrealistic. Let's just double check that. Wave 1 length. We're just now here at the 44.3 cent level. That is the 1.618 extension. If we go longer than that, I mean, that would mean we're breaking the 1.618 extension, which is normally sort of the, I wouldn't say the maximum that a wave 5 does, but it's normally the ideal level. And if you go below that, it would already indicate it's something more bearish going on. From the other hand, if you drop below the 78.6% fib level, which we are already at the moment as well, if we drop below that, that is also indicating that something more bearish is going on. So we can give it the benefit of the doubt, but not high confidence anymore. But as I said to you already before, this is a very weak chart, and it would probably be better if if ADA makes a new low to clean up this mess that has been going on here since June. It's just not doing anything. So let's see what the bearish count says. Where's the bearish count? Don't have the bearish count open. Let me open the bearish count. So here, we also probably are not going to see here the move to the upside in the wave Y. I mean, again, we can say, all right, possibly this wave 4. It's short term. It's the same wave count. Go to the 1 hour chart. You could say, okay, short term, maybe here the wave 4 was still ongoing. But this what I think is very, very likely as well with ADA is that let me see, W, X, Y. I mean, we could say that the wave 2 in fact was already in here, 1, 2, and that we're already heading down in a wave 1 here. This was a wave 2 correction, and we're now coming down in a 3. So I will just put that onto the chart now just to show you. I think it's not too unlikely that the triangle count is still valid. But also here we could say that the triangle possibly peaked here. So either we had the peak of the triangle here or the wave 2 high, and that we're already coming down in an impulse. It's just this additional low, it just might trigger that sell-off already now. So that we say here, this was a wave 1 already, this was the wave 2 retracement already, and we're now in the 3 down. this particular wave 3 should lead to new lows if it is the wave 3, because if we look at the length of the wave 1 then the high of the wave 2, you're looking at an ideal level of 38 cents for the wave 3, and then for the wave 5 here 31.2 cents. So yeah, it would be interesting. It gets us certainly sort of into the region of around 30 cents. Again, these are just ideal targets. Sometimes they're not exactly met, but yeah, the way how this is coming down currently suggests this is a wave 3. So this is currently, I think, a possibility. We had the head and shoulders here as well, where we had the 45.5 cents as a neckline, which also broke. So at the moment, it's just pointing to the downside. I mean, on the other hand, if we now go up from here and move above the 49 cent level, maybe we can turn it around. But here you have a trend line as well, an ascending trend line. If we lose this as well at 43.2 cents, you know, that would just be an additional level of confirmation that we are breaking down. So yeah, this is what I primarily looking now at lower lows here. In the bearish count anyway. In the bullish count, yeah, I'm not sure if we can still hold this. I mean, that's sort of the last resort here at the 43.3 cent level to turn it around, but it's not looking likely anymore. Okay, and that's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.